Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to access and navigate the MediaPlus e-resource. On the library canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Media icon. Now on the Media page, just scroll down until you come across the Alexander Street logo and then just click on that. Now on the MediaPlus page, just click on the Alexander Street logo to access this e-resource. You should now find yourself on the MediaPlus webpage. MediaPlus from Alexander Street is a service delivered to UK higher and further education community in association with JISC, providing over 100,000 videos, images and sound recordings. To begin browsing to see what kind of videos, images and sound recordings MediaPlus have available for you to access, we will click on the Advanced Search button, which can be located next to the search engine on the main page. You should now find yourself on the following page. On the right side of the screen, you can simply type in a keyword or term or offer you wish to search for. On the left side of the screen, you will notice that you can narrow down your search by selecting from one of the following disciplines: art and design, diversity, health sciences, history, literature and language, music and performing arts, personal interest, psychology and counselling, science and engineering, and social sciences. For the following example, we'll click on history, and you will notice that not only will it open up more options for you to choose from underneath this discipline, but also the number of results in the advanced search section where it mentions your search criteria match will have changed automatically. For the next example, we'll just type in World War II into the Words Anywhere section in the advanced search, and then click on the search button to be taken to the following results page. If you scroll down the results, you will notice that some of them will have an open access symbol underneath them. This means you're able to access this video or document. If a result doesn't have the open access symbol on it, this means that this video or document is not accessible for you. You can also rearrange the search results by relevance, title, newest first, and oldest first. On the left side of the screen, you can also refine your search by format, be it text, related web resources or video, content type, be it photograph, biography or essay, topic or theme, as well as publisher. If you click on one of the results, say for example, Introduction, Securing Childcare During World War II, The Case of San Diego, you'll be taken to the following page where the video will play automatically for you. This particular video will also have subtitles available. Underneath the video, you will find details about the video, such as when it was recorded, its duration, and what collection you can find it in on MediaPlus.